real low. Dip it low, take it up slow, roll it all around, make it that.
Told you so extra, but I know I'm the same. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama.
Hey YouTube, it's your girl Drknlvely, aka Robin, and welcome back to my channel. And if it's your first time seeing this mug and these locks, I'm gonna need you to go ahead and click that subscribe button, become part of the Dark Knight Squad. We little here, I'm your good sis, you're my good sis. And I just recently uploaded a video where I was showing you guys how I did a slick pony, like a deep side part pony, and how I used the 3-section method. I'm not gonna say 3 sections is the normal, but it's a section method that you use in order when you have a lot of hair in order to get a slick pony. Respectfully, I thought the video was pretty self-explanatory, but a couple of you asked for a tutorial, so here it go. I am 2 weeks post a fresh retie, so I'm not gonna need that much assistance in regards to my locks laying down, but I'm going to show you how you can slick them down, and we're just gonna do a deep middle part. We're not gonna do a side part on this one. All that you will need is 2 scrunchies and some rose water that I do not have. Respectfully, I'm not about to get up and get that right now because this is going to be a quick tutorial. So depending on the amount of hair that you have, you want to do 3 sections. And it's just to maneuver the hair a little bit easier. So my biggest section is going to be the one in the back. So I'm just going to, and if you have a lock comb, you could use it. Like I said, I'm just using my hands. And since you are manipulating your hair, do not be like me. Use some rose water or some kind of hydration in order to manipulate your hair. It just makes it easier, especially when you are coming off of not having a retie, all right? So we're going to use this medium-sized scrunchie. And normally, your good sis can't get her whole hand around one pony. So splitting it up, I have large hands and long phalangeals. So I'm able to do this. But normally, if I'm doing one big pony, no way I'm getting my hand around one pony. I'm gonna make sure we get all the hair. And I don't want this too tight. So I'm only gonna do 3 times. For that small section, it was very easy to put that into a pony. It could be a little lower, sorry, but I'm doing this quick. Then you want to find your hair, lay it in the direction that you want it to go. It just makes it easier. So I've already got it ready. So what I like to do in order to save time, I like to take the scrunchie that is already on and use that to start the second one. But for tutorial purposes, I will use a whole another new one, right? So then, still able to put my hand around the pony. It's in the section, it's laid where I want it to go. Now I got all the hair through. Just gonna do it twice. All right. So that is not tight, that is taut. But before I go in, I'm going to place the other section where it needs to go. Bam. Then I'm gonna take that loose scrunchie, right? Because it's still loose, because I only did it probably twice. I could still put my hand around the scrunchie. That's why we're using 2 scrunchies. On the main section in the back and the other one on the 2 in the front. So I want to make sure all your hair is through, and then we're just gonna go for the last time. We're just gonna pull it through. And it can get a little tangly, but that's fine. It'll find its way because all the hair will eventually fall through. And then you just comb it out. Just trying to make sure all of my sections are combed out, and I'm just using my hand, and baby, there we go. Slick pony. Now having this fresh retie is helping. It's helping, but there we go. I have thick, dense hair, so it could be smoother, but baby, it's smooth. And I could try and put this around it just for S and G's. Let's do it. I had already gotten the hair through. So let's just comb it out again. There we go. Now we got a cute little scrunchie. She's cute. She's doing what she needs to do. She's very cute. She's serving. She's giving all of what she needs to give, baby. Cute. I hope this video was helpful. Like I said, I used to do this back in my loose natural days in order to get a smooth pony. So I just readapted that to my locks. I still got the same amount of hair. It's just in a different form. So, and she's cute. And for me, the middle part is spreading your butt cheeks too hard. Respectfully, we all adults here, but we all know that feeling. If it starts to pull too much, gotta come out. But for this one isn't that taut, but I would go like that in order to just loosen it up a little bit. But no, she's giving. She did what she needed to do. Robin, yes, did you call my name? It is not glasses friendly. Oh, it is glasses friendly. I didn't even know. It is normally when I do like a deep side part, it is not glasses friendly, but this is very glasses friendly. I love this. And respectfully, the takedown. It's not that hard. Remember, you only have a total of, I have a total of 3, but if you don't add the little decorative scrunchie, you only got 2 scrunchies in here. So you just have to stay calm. Grab the right one. You want to take off the one on the outer first. Literally just stay calm. Everything is going to be okay. So one starts to loosen up. That piece is out already. I think I grabbed the main scrunchie after that, but it's okay. Do not freak out. It's not pulling. It doesn't hurt. If it gets a little tangled, it's okay. Right now it looks a hot mess because the other pony is still on there. Don't be panicking. It's okay. If you don't want to deal with this, then just use a total of 3 scrunchies, 1 for each section. Cause this I kind of botched a little bit. I just have to find where it is. It wasn't anything tight, so I could easily just pull my locks out of the situation without damage. If I feel that they're literally, it's not a knot, it's just tangled, and that's fine. Literally, you see how I'm staying calm? There it is, it's out. The other one is here. Here it is. Here they are, 2. It's fine. My hair is fine, locks are fine, it's all good. See how I kept my cool? I did not panic because I knew it was gonna come out. It's fine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. I hope it helped some of you guys out in regards to slicking your ponies real low. Dip it low, take it up slow, roll it all around, make it that. Pop that thing. I'ma make it then.